that's good. So I've just pulled down the vine that was growing in the back, but you can also use the wild grapevines. And I just wrapped it up with all the leaves and I've let it dry, and now I'm just going to clean it up. Going to keep winding it until I get the thickness that I want. I get to the last branches, just weave it onto itself. Tuck the end right into it. Then you're going to have these stragglers, wind them around and tuck them in. So you can see you're starting to get your wreath. And these leaves that you leave on, they'll just dry up and blow off. It's not a big deal. A few leaves. So I'm going to keep going, make this. Keep cleaning and just twisting it onto itself, and it holds. If you get some of these tangles, I'm just going to grab my snippers and cut them off. You have all these loose ends. Then you just want to wind it around and then feed it into the middle of the wreath. And this creates an anchor like that. And then you get a nice tightly woven wreath. So I'm going to keep adding to this because I want to make it nice and thick. If you end up with a wreath that you didn't wind enough and it's coming loose, then I just cut the branch and then take that branch, wind it around and feed it back in like that. Other one that's loose, and just gonna cut it like that. So I've got 2 wreaths done. Keep your little stragglers as your string to wind up those wreaths and keep them nice and tight. So here's another wreath I've done. The vines were much thicker, you can see. It's bulkier, and these were the wild grapevine leaves. Whereas this was the creeping Jenny vine. You can see the difference in thickness. So depending on the thickness of your vine will give you different thicknesses for wreaths. So look at all the wreaths that I have made. This is our 5-minute hack. It's haul, and I've just trimmed the cedar trees. You just want to pull off small individual branches. And these are the same hanging baskets that I've put 2 together. I'm just filling up the cylinders with the cedars and then just kind of fluffing them up.